In order to create a GitHub account, go to google.com, type GitHub, press enter. We need to go to this particular website, github.com. On the right hand side, click on sign up, enter your email, click continue, provide a password, click continue again, provide a username, click on continue. Now it is saying this particular username is not available, so I need to find something unique. Let me provide, say, 2024. This is available. Click continue. I don't want the updates, so I'm keeping it unchecked. Click on continue again. Next, there is a step to protect our account. We need to solve a puzzle, whatever is provided over here. Let me click on verify. This account verification process may vary in GitHub later on, in later months or years. At this point of time, this is the process. Let me continue with this. I need to match this angle, so let me try this left arrow. This looks maybe similar. Click on submit. That was not quite right. Let me try again. Let's try this one. Submit. Another one. Submit. Now it would be sending a launch code to my user ID. Let me log into my user ID and check what is the code that they have provided. I can see there is one email from GitHub with this launch code. Let me enter this digit. Now it's asking me to sign in. Enter the username. Let me provide the password. Click on sign in. Close this. So now my account is created. It is asking for some other information. I'm clicking on skip personalization. In case you feel so, you can go ahead. Let me skip personalization. So now here we are. Our GitHub account is successfully created. Now we are into the landing page once we log into the GitHub account. So briefly, this is the process to create a GitHub account.